Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Infinity Learn Mathematics in a Simple Way. In this video, we are going to learn integration by parts method. This question has been asked in the part C, question number 41 or 42. This type of question will be asked for what? 3 marks purpose. ऐसा जो क्वेश्चन है तुमको 3 मार्क्स के लिए पूछता है. कहाँ पर पूछता है बोलते पार्ट सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 और 43. ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 41 ಅಥವಾ 42 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಏನಿದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್? ರೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಸೇಸ್ if the function will appear in the product form, that is u into v, u is the first function, v is the what? Second function. At that time first function as it is, we have to keep the what? First function as it is, integration of second function, that is v dx, then minus of integral of into the bracket derivative of first function, that is u with respect to x, then integration of second function, that is integration of v dx whole bracket dx. This is the parts method, and we have to decide the what? Now the question arises, which function we have to take u and which function we have to take the what? V. Here to decide this function we are using the what? One rule, that is called as what? Eilert rule. Eilert rule is used to decide first function. It is used to decide the what? First function means what? That is u. To decide what? U. So according to this rule, I-L-A-T-E. See here, if in the given integral, if I means what here? Inverse trigonometric function. I means what here? Inverse trigonometric function. Shortly I am writing fn. Fn means what? Function here. L means what? Logarithmic function. A means algebraic function. T means trigonometric function. E means exponential function. See here, we are deciding the what? First function according to the what? Eilert rule, to decide the what? Which function we have to take u and which we have to take the v. So only we are deciding the what? U here. I means what? Inverse trigonometric function. If it is given integral, if you have in the given integral inverse trigonometric function, first we have to decide the what? That we have to take the what? Inverse trigonometric function as a u. If it is not there, then next is what? Logarithm. If it is logarithm is there in the given integral, take the what? Log. When we have to take the log as a u, if inverse trigonometry function is not there, at that time we have to take the what? Log. If inverse trigonometry is also not there, logarithm is also not there, and go for next priority is what? Algebraic function. If it is in the given integral, if you have a algebraic function and inverse trigonometry and logarithm will not be there, at that time you have to take the what? Algebraic function as what? U. Yes. If it is also not there, then go for next priority, that is what? Trigonometric function. If you found the trigonometric function in the given integral and inverse trigonometry will be not there, logarithm is not there, algebra is not there, at that time take the trigonometric function as what? U. And the last priority is nothing but exponential function. So in this way we have to decide the what? U and V. Yes. Any doubts in this? So write it down. See here, evaluate integration of x square log x dx. This question has been asked in the year March 2022 and March 2020, I think. Yes, for 3 marks based on the what? By parts method. See here, according to the Eilert rule, we have here algebraic function and logarithmic function. We have in the given integral, we have what? Algebraic function and logarithmic function. Now we have to decide the what? Which function is to be taken? First function, that is u. According to the Eilert rule, first I. Is there inverse trigonometry function here? No. So we can't take this one. Next, go for next priority is what? Log. So logarithm is there here, log x is there. So this is u here and this is what? V. In this manner we have to decide the what? U and V. Clear? Now by parts method, I will write the what rule here. By parts method, बाय पार्ट्स मेथड क्या बोल रहा हूँ अपना पार्ट्स मेथड इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ u इंटू वी dx is equal to here u as it is a integration of v dx minus integration of derivative of u with respect to x integration of v dx whole bracket what dx. First write the rule. Yes. Now keep the things according to the rule. I is equal to integration of u means what here log x, v means what here x square dx. Now u means what log x as it is. Integration of v means what x square dx minus integration of derivative of log x. Keep as it is according to the rule. Yes. Integration of x square dx whole bracket what dx. So after writing the given integral according to the what parts method, first we have to write the what parts method and write the things according to the rule, that is u and v. Yes. Now after that is equal to, this is log x as it is a integration of x square. Integration of x square is nothing but we know the formula. Integration of x raised to n dx is what x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Here what is the value of n? 2. X raised to 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is what 3. X cube divided by 3 minus integration as it is derivative of log x 1 by x. Derivative of log x is what 1 by x. Integration of x square is what x cube by 3 dx. Now this one x cube into log x cube by 3 log x, I am writing x cube by 3 outside and log x then afterwards, minus this 1x and this square will remain here, cancel. Take 3 outside, that is 1 by 3. Take this 3 outside, 1 into x square dx. Yes. Now x cube by 3 log x as it is minus 1 by 3. Integration of x square is what x cube by 3 plus c. Yes. 3 3s are 9. Last step, one more, x cube by 3, or you can take x cube by 3 common or write in the same way, x cube by 3 log x minus 1 into x cube is what x cube, 3 3s are 9 plus c. So this is the final answer. Yes. All of you getting or not? It's very simple. Just we have to write the things according to the rule. Yes. Or you can write here also plus c. It is enough. Or you can write this one is what, or you can write 3 3s are 9. It is enough, or you can write this step also. Yes. Next one, second problem. See here again we have to decide the what here, first function and second function. Yes. This is I is equal to write the solution, first step of the solution. Again isolate. See here I inverse trigonometry is not there. Go for next priority, that is what log x. Log x is there. So take this one is what u and this one is what v. Now I is equal to, first I will write the what by parts method. Right, by parts method. By parts method. That is I is equal to integration of u into v dx is equal to u as it is a integration of v dx minus integration of derivative of u with respect to x, integration of v dx whole bracket dx. Yes, whole bracket what dx. Now keep the things according to the rule, that is equal to I is equal to, what is u here log x, what is v here x dx. U means what here log x, v means what x dx minus integration of derivative of log x with respect to x, integration of v means what x dx whole bracket what dx. Now this is log x as it is. Integration of x is what x square by 2 minus derivative of log x is what 1 by x. Integration of x is what x square by 2 dx. This x get cancelled. Yes. Now x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 integration of x dx. Take this 2 outside, 1 into x square, x is what x, and x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 integration of x is what x square by 2 plus c. Multiply and write the one more step. 2 2s are 4. That is equal to what? X square by 2 log x minus 1 into x square is what? X square 2 2s are 4 plus c. So this is what? Integration of log x into x dx. This is the final answer. Yes? Any doubts in this? So what function we have to take u here? This is u and this is what? V. By parts method. I am not going to write the what rule here. I am doing directly now. Yes, by parts method. What is the function? That is I is equal to tan inverse x as it is, integration of x dx minus integration of derivative of tan inverse x with respect to x, integration of x dx whole bracket what? Dx. Yes, according to the what? Parts method rule. Now I is equal to tan inverse x as it is, integration of x is what? X square by 2 minus integration of derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square, integration of x is what? X square by 2 dx. Now this one is what? X square by 2 tan inverse of x minus x square into 1 x square, take 2 outside. This is x square divided by 1 plus x square dx. To evaluate this integral, we have to take the what? Substitution method. We have to take the what? Substitution method. To evaluate this integral, we have to take the what? Substitution method. See here, 1 plus x square is equal to t. So not substitution method. क्या था देखो उसका? What we have to do here? Substitution method or what? Yes. Substitution is a? Yes. See here, not substitution method. Right here, x square divided by 2 tan inverse x as it is minus 1 by 2. See here, 1 plus x square minus 1. Adding and subtracting 1 in the denominator, in the numerator, 1 plus x square dx. Yes. See here, this is what? X square divided by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2. What I did here, adding 1 and subtracting 1. Again, if you cancel, you will get the what? Original term, that is previous x square by 1 plus x square minus 1 by 2. Now these are the what? Two terms here. Integration of 1 plus x square divided by what? 1 plus x square dx minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square dx. Now this function get cancelled here. 1 plus x square get cancelled. Yes. Now this one is what? X square divided by 2. X square divided by 2 tan inverse of x minus 1 by 2 into dx minus into minus plus 1 by 2 integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Yes, I am writing the next step here. Next step I am writing here. Yes. So I will rub this problem. We will solve later this one. I am writing the next step of this problem. That is x square by 2. That is equal to what? X square by 2 tan inverse of x minus 1 by 2 as it is. Integration of dx is nothing but x. Integration of dx is what? X plus 1 by 2 as it is. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is what? Tan inverse x. Tan inverse x plus c. Tan inverse x plus c. So this is the solution. Yes. So this is the what? Solution, or you can write it in this manner also. That is x square by 2 tan inverse x. Here minus 1 by 2 is common. Minus 1 by 2. This 1 by 2, this 1 by 2 common with minus sign. X minus tan inverse of x plus c. So this is the what? Final answer. Right. Therefore, integration of x tan inverse x dx is equal to x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 x minus tan inverse of x plus c. This is the what? Final solution of the problem. Yes, any doubts? Next problem. See here, evaluate integration of x square e raised to x dx. This question has been asked in the year June 2014 for 3 marks. So again, according to the what? Eilert rule, x square is the algebraic function, e raised to x is what? Exponential function. Yes, we have to take the algebraic function as a u. Exponential comes into the what? Last in the Eilert rule. Yes, this is what u and this is what v. Then I is equal to, write the first step of the solution. I is equal to, yes, u as it is, that is x square as it is, the integration of e raised to x minus dx minus derivative of integration of derivative of e raised to x, derivative of x square with respect to x, integration of e raised to x dx whole bracket dx. What we did here? By parts method. Right here, by parts method. By parts method. According to the parts method, we are writing the things. Yes, the given integral, that is I is equal to x square as it is, integration of e raised to x is what? E raised to x minus, yes, in derivative of x square is what? 2x. Derivative of x square is what? 2x. Integration of e raised to x is what? E raised to x dx. Now I is equal to x square e raised to x, take 2 outside, minus 2, integration of x e raised to x dx. Again by parts here. Again by what? By parts method. Again to integrate this one. Again by parts method. Again by parts method. Again by what? Parts method here. Yes. So what is u here? X is what? U. This is u and this is what? V. So write this one. I is equal to x square e raised to x minus 2 as it is. That is x as it is, integration of e raised to x dx minus integration of derivative of x with respect to x, integration of e raised to x dx whole bracket what? Dx. Then I is equal to x square e raised to x minus 2 x, integration of e raised to x is what? E raised to x minus derivative of x with respect to x is what? 1. Integration of e raised to x is what? E raised to x whole bracket dx. Yes. Then I is equal to x square e raised to x minus 2x e raised to x, multiply with what? Minus 2, minus into minus, plus 2, 1 into e raised to x is what? E raised to x, integration of e raised to x is what? E raised to x plus c. At the same time I am multiplying minus 2 into x e raised to x minus into minus plus 2 e raised to x, integration of 1 into e raised to x is what? E raised to x, integration of e raised to x is what? E raised to x plus c. So what is common in all the integral? E raised to x is common, x square minus 2x plus 2 plus c. E raised to x is what? Common. Yes, clear? Now next question. See here, next question. Integration of e raised to x sin x. Again by parts method. Write the solution. First I is equal to, by parts method. By parts method. By parts method. Yes. By parts method. See here. Which one we have to take the u? Eilert rule. According to the Eilert rules. I means inverse trigonometry, L means logarithm, A means algebra, T means what? Trigonometry. Here trigonometry is there. Take this is what? U and this is what? V. Yes. Trigonometric function we are taking what? U here. So write the things in the what? Parts method. Sin x as it is, a integration of e raised to x dx minus integration of derivative of sin x with respect to x, integration of e raised to x dx. Yes. This one dx and outside another dx. Yes. Then I is equal to sin x as it is, a integration of e raised to x is what? E raised to x minus derivative of sin is what? Cos x. Derivative of sin is what? Cos x. Integration of e raised to x is what? E raised to x whole bracket dx. Again by parts method to this one. We have to apply this one again by what? Parts method here. Again by parts method. Again by parts method. This one is what? U and this is what? V. Yes. Write the things again by what? Using parts method. That is I is equal to e raised to x into sin x. E raised to x sin x minus into the bracket cos x as it is, integration of e raised to x dx minus integration of derivative of cos x with respect to x, integration of e raised to x dx whole bracket what? Dx. Yes, by parts method again. This is u, this is v, and derivative of u, integration of e raised to x. Now I is equal to e raised to x sin x minus cos x as it is, integration of e raised, again multiplying with what? This minus sign also. Integration of e raised to x is what? E raised to x. Yes, minus into minus. See, this minus into this minus, plus derivative of cos is what? Minus sin x. Derivative integration of, see here, minus sin x. Yes, integration of e raised to x is what? E raised to x dx. Now I is equal to e raised to x sin x minus cos x e raised to x. Yes, plus into minus, minus integration of e raised to x first I am writing, then sin x dx. Now I is equal to e raised to x sin x minus e raised to x cos x. I am writing first e raised to x, then this is replaced by what? Minus I. This one minus I. E raised to x sin x is nothing but minus I. Take this minus I, this minus I, this minus I to the left side, plus I plus I is what? 2i. I plus I, 2i is equal to e raised to x sin x minus cos x. Take e raised to x common here. E raised to x is what? Common here. Then I is equal to what? E raised to x divided by 2 sin x minus cos x plus c, plus c. Yes, plus c, plus c, plus c. Yes, you can write the plus c. Sorry, no need to write here plus c. Last we have to write. Yes, last we have to write the what? Plus c. Next problem, evaluate x sin inverse x divided by root of 1 minus x square dx. So first of all we have to take the what? Substitution for this one. First of all we have to take the what? Substitution. Put sin inverse x is equal to what? T. Put sin inverse x is equal to what? T. Differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of sin inverse x is nothing but 1 by root of 1 minus x square, then dx by dt. Derivative of t is what? 1. See here, derivative of sin inverse x 1 by root of 1 minus x square, then derivative of x with respect to t is nothing but dx by dt. Derivative of t with respect to t is what? 1. Now 1 into dx, and these two terms cross multiply here. Root of 1 minus x square dt. 1 minus x square dt. Yes. Now come to the given integral. I is equal to x t divided by root of 1 minus x square, because sin inverse x is what here? T. Yes. Dx means what? Root of 1 minus x square dt. This one cancel this one with a style. Yes. क्या करने का से कैंसिल करने का टर्म को करने के बाद में दैट इज आई इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? एक्स इंटू टी डी टी. X into t dt by parts method. How, what is the value of t? We have to find the what value of t. T is nothing but sin inverse x, and x is equal to what? See here, this one, sin inverse x is equal to t. X is equal to what? Sin t. X is equal to what? Sin t. X is equal to what? Sin t. Now what I am doing here? Then I is equal to, in the place of x I am writing what? Sin t into t dt. Now applying the what? Eilert rule. I L A T E. Here t is what? Algebra. Yes. Algebra comes before the what? Trigonometric function. So this is what? U, and this is what? V. Yes. By parts method. By parts method. By parts method. I is equal to, first function is what? T. T as it is a integration of sin t dt minus integration of derivative of t with respect to t. Integration of sin t dt whole bracket what? dt. Yes. Now I is equal to t as it is integration of sin minus cos t then minus integration derivative of t with respect to t is what? 1. Integration of sin is what? 1 minus cos t dt. Yes, I am writing the next steps to that side. Here then I is equal to t, take minus sign outside, minus t cos t minus into minus is what? Plus 1 into minus cos minus into minus plus integration of what? Cos t dt. Then I is equal to minus t cos t, integration of cos is what? Sin t plus c. Now what is the value of t and cos t and sin t? Yes, write it. T means what? T means minus t cos t. T cos t. Yes. What is the value of t here? Sin I is equal to what here? Minus sin inverse x cos t is nothing but I am writing cos t is equal to root of 1 minus sin square t. 1 minus sin square t. Yes. 1 minus sin square t means what here? Sin inverse x it is. We are getting confused here. Yes. Now see here. This t means sin inverse x, cos t means root of 1 minus sin square t. Cos t is equal to root of 1 minus sin square t. That is sin t means what here? X. Sin square t means what? X square, it is 1 minus x square. That is root of 1 minus x square. The value of cos t plus sin t means sin t means what? Sin inverse x. According to the inverse trigonometry, sin get cancelled. What remains here? X. That is what? X plus c. So this is the final answer. Yes, this is the what? Final answer. And the next question is what? Next question. See here, next question. Evaluate x cos inverse x divided by root of 1 minus x square. This question has been asked in the year July 2017 for 3 marks. Same as we did with the previous problem, put cos inverse x is equal to t. Then x is equal to what? Cos t. X is equal to what? Cos t. Now we are differentiating this one. Differentiate with respect to t. With respect to t, derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to what? Dt. I am writing directly dx is equal to what? Dt. Now minus dx is equal to dt divided dt into root of 1 minus x square dt. Now dx is equal to minus root of 1 minus x square dt. Yes. Now come to here, this one, that is I is equal to x t divided by root of 1 minus x square dx means minus into root of 1 minus x square dt. This one get cancelled. Take minus sign outside, that is I is equal to minus xt dt by parts method. Sorry, what is the value of t here? The value of t is what? Cos t. Write one more step. Minus x cos t dt. Now by parts method. T cos t. Sorry. T cos t. X means what? Cos t. Yes. T cos t by parts method. By what? Parts method. U and V. Eilert rule. U en ತಗೋಬೇಕು V en ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Sorry. I-L-A-T-E. Algebra is what? U. That is T is U and this is what? V. Yes. I is equal to T integration of cos T dt minus integration of derivative of T with respect to T integration of cos T dt whole bracket what? Dt. Yes. Now write here I is equal to T as it is. Integration of cos T is what? Sin T. Yes. Minus sign outside. Outside minus sign. Huh? Outside minus sign. Minus T, derivative of T with respect to T is what? 1. Integration of 1. Integration of cos T is what? Sin T dt. Yes. Sin T dt. Right, one more step. I is equal to minus T sin T minus into minus plus integration of sin T is what? Minus cos T plus C. Now I am writing the what next step here. Next step here, that is I is equal to minus T sin T next plus into minus minus cos T plus C. Plus C. Now find the value of what? What is the value of T here? Cos inverse X. First I am writing what? I is equal to this T is what? Minus cos inverse X. Then sin T. Sin T is nothing but root of 1 minus cos square T. Root of 1 minus cos square T. But cos T means what here? X. That is sin T is equal to root of 1 minus x square. In the place of sin T I am writing what? 1 minus x square minus cos T. Cos T. Cos of cos T means what? Cos inverse x. Cos of cos inverse x, that is equal to what? X. That is cos T. That is x plus C. This is the final answer. It's the next problem. See the next problems. Evaluate I is equal tan inverse x dx करके देता इष्टे करता ना tan inverse x dx ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Take I is equal to first, that is I is equal to tan inverse x into 1 dx. So this is u and this is what? V. According to Eilert rule, u and v. Now by parts method, write the things according to the what? By parts method. By parts method. By parts method. First I is equal to tan inverse x as it is, integration of 1 into dx minus integration of derivative of tan inverse x with respect to x. Derivative of tan inverse x with respect to x. Integration of 1 dx whole bracket dx. Then I is equal to tan inverse x. Integration of 1 into dx is nothing but x minus derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. Integration of 1 is what? X dx. Yes. Now x into tan inverse x is what? X tan inverse x. To evaluate this, minus 1 into x is what? X divided by 1 plus x square dx. Substitution method. Substitution method. March 2014. This question has been asked in the year March 2014. March 2014. March 2014. Here, substitution method. Put 1 plus x square is equal to t. 1 plus x square is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of 1 is what? 0. Derivative of x square is what? 2x. Dx is equal to what? Dt. Now dx is equal to what? Dt by 2x. Dt by what? 2x. Then I is equal to x tan inverse x minus this x as it is divided by t. Dx means what? Dt by 2x. This x get cancelled. Yes. I is equal to x tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 integration of 1 by t dt. 1 by t dt. Then I is equal to x tan inverse of x minus 1 by 2 integration of 1 by t is what? Log t plus c. What is the value of t? 1 plus x square. Write one more step, that is I is equal to x tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 log of t means what? 1 plus x square plus c. So this is the what final answer. Write the substitution beside of this problem. Yes. Write the next problem. Evaluate or find the integral of log x dx. First step, write I is equal to solution. Yes. I is equal to log x dx. Now what I am doing here, I is equal to log x into 1 dx. This is u and this is what? V. Sorry, according to ILATE rule, ILATE, L means what? Log is what? U and this is what? V. Yes. Yes. See here, I by parts method. By parts method, I is equal to u as it is, that is log x as it is, integration of 1 into dx minus integration of derivative of log x with respect to x, integration of 1 into dx whole bracket what? Dx. Whole bracket what? Dx. That is I is equal to log x as it is, integration of 1 into dx is what? X minus derivative of log x 1 by x integration of x dx. This x get cancelled. Yes. Then I is equal to log x log x. X into log x is nothing but x log x minus integration of 1 into dx. Then I is equal to x log x integration of 1 into dx is nothing but x plus c. Then I is equal to x log x minus 1 plus c. Final answer. Integrate x sec square x with respect to x. This question has been asked in the year March 2020 and July 2019. So see here, write first I is equal to x sec square x dx. According to ILATE rule, ILATE, algebra comes first. So this is u and this is what? V. Yes, u into v. By parts method, that is I is equal to x as it is, a integration of what? Sec square x dx minus integration of derivative of x with respect to x, integration of sec square x dx whole bracket what? Dx. Next this one. Then I is equal to x as integration of sec square x is what? Tan x minus integration of sec square x is what? Tan x minus derivative of x is what? 1. Integration of sec square x is what? Tan x dx. What is the integration of tan? Integration of tan, log of what? Sec. Yes, tell me the what? Integration of tan x. Integration of tan x is what? Log mod sec x. Log mod sec x. That is I is equal to x tan x minus 1 into tan x is what? Integration of tan x dx. Now I is equal to x tan x minus log mod of sec x plus c. So integration of tan is what? This one. So this is the what? Final answer. And the next extra problems, you have to practice these problems that I have given the word for your practice purpose. So u and v is also I mentioned here in this problem. 1 x square e raised to 3x, second x sin x, third x cos x, x square sin x square sin 3x, x sin 2x, e raised to x sin 3x, e raised to x cos x square plus 1 log x into log 2x. Practice these all the problems. So this is all about the what? Integration by parts method. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.